Good afternoon. I've been talking to a lot of students who have showed concern that they are having absolute trouble getting into the digital copy of the environmental science course. To get started, you will need to go to your assignments. On your assignment page, locate where it says how to get into your textbook, but make sure it says Mr. Burke's textbook sign up. Once you click on that, before you click this link, make sure that you copy this code. This is the code that you're going to want to use once you go into the link. So once in the link, it'll say what is the course key. I'm going to paste the course key. Next, I would put my student ID number. So let's say this might be your student ID number. Okay. So type in your student ID number. After you do that, so I'll just put mine in. How about that? We'll try this out. Okay. Then you'll go through and you'll put your first name, last name, a username. It's best policy that you use your Perry email address as your username because you'll remember it. What you've already been assigned, you've been using multiple times to get into several of your accounts. When you get to password, it's best practice to also use your PIN number password, the same one that you use to get lunch. Confirm that, then hit next. Once you do so, you should be able to see the textbook. Remember, not different from the last video that we watched, the textbook will appear on this side of your screen. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. I'll go through here, back to my page. So I'm going to go to my modules. Actually, I'm going to start at home. And in home, I'm going to go to my textbook link. And then for my textbook link, I'm going to type in all that information that we just talked about. And it's going to say launch the course. So here's what it's going to look like when you launch your course. Now your course is going to be just a little bit different. You may have information that's similar to what we've talked about in the last video, but the book is still here. So here's the book. You can flip through the pages. Remember how we talked about if you want a certain area of the book read, click on this icon up here at the top that has the open mouth.
Acknowledgements. Grateful acknowledgement is given to the authors, artists, photographers.
And then also with your textbook comes a study hub as well as some flashcards. So if you're looking up here, you can learn what environment means. And each chapter has a set of flashcards. All right, so we go to our next flashcards for chapter 1. What does environmentalism mean? And it tells me what it means. All right, so this is how to get started on setting up your virtual digital copy of your textbook. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to email me and let me know right away.